Namaste and welcome. In this quick guide, I will walk you through installing Cisco Packet Tracer on your laptop or desktop. If you have already downloaded the installer, you are ready to begin. Normally, if you're gonna download it, it will be in your download folder. For me, I kept it inside my document. So let's begin. Locate your download file, usually in download, but for me, as I told you, it's in document. Double click on the setup file, accept, next, choose the location, next, next, and install it. It's gonna take little bit time depending upon the computing speed your device have. Once the installation is complete, just click on finish, and by default launch Cisco Packet Tracer is enabled. So once you're gonna finish it, the system gonna start for the first time. It's Packet Tracer. So yes, and it will ask you to log in with your Cisco Networking Academy credential for the first time. If you don't have, you just create an account. It's an easy peasy. Click on Cisco Skills for All, and it will take you to your browser. Here you have to create an ID or just log in with your Google account. For me, I have already my account, so I'm gonna log in with my email ID and the password, and just click on login. And here you go. Now you can click back on your packet tracer, and that's it. Your packet tracer is now ready to use. You can do all sorts of hands-on lab here, and there is a way around. Sometimes this Cisco Networking Academy website is not letting you to create your ID. So in that moment, what you're gonna do is go to run and type ncpa.cpl. So it will take you to the your Ethernet adapter. Just disable it. Right click and disable it, and you can open it. Again, this is Packet Tracer. It won't ask you to log in. Yeah, there are little bit restrictions with that one, similar to the guest profile, but who cares? There is a way around. You just do all sorts of lab and just finish it. That's it, guys. If it is somehow helpful for you, then please consider us to subscribe.